In true showbiz style, the fireworks spell it out. We're in Dallas for round 9 of the Grand Prix series. At night, Dallas is as brash and neon-flooded as Las Vegas, but daybreak reveals the town we know so well from that intrigue-filled series. And just what would the town's most famous husband and wife team make of it all? This is no ordinary street circuit. Dallas is big, and so are its curves and straights. Team managers are expecting a fast race, and practice times have shown they're right. As the drivers sweep past famous Dallas landmarks, it'll be a dream come true for organizer Carroll Shelby.
The whole city's getting behind it. Socially, I think that we're going to have an outstanding event. As far as the circuit's concerned, I think you're going to find it's the finest closed circuit that you'll find anywhere. When you compare Long Beach, Las Vegas, Detroit, Monaco, not to take anything from them, but this is going to be a lot faster circuit, a lot more fast 150-mile-an-hour sweepers. So I think it's going to be much more interesting, not only to the drivers, but to the spectators.
One driver has already found out just how interesting it is. A test relay Regazzoni's old Ferraris was dramatic. And it's an ex-Ferrari driver, Niki Lauda, who could today become the all-time highest point scorer in this, his 150th